Hey Max, what you doing? Really, Cody? You've got big nose. Do you like your water, huh, Max? Yeah? You having a bath? You're a pretty bird. Cody. Hi, Jinni. Yes, a light comes out of this machine. A light.
There was this one huge arrangement of mums, and they were mums, just wilting mums. Reminding me that.
You gonna get in there and splash him again?
Then.
He seemed to enjoy that.
So,
Hi, Max.
I'm good. I'm fine. And, do you want to come with me? Like,
yeah,
look out or something? Now, let's go now.
You're a pretty bird, Max. Max is a pretty bird.
It's okay, yeah.
He's a pretty bird.
I'm gonna go in by myself, look at it, look it out. Just, keep it going.
I love you. Yeah, get that tail wiggling. I love it when the tail wiggles. Cody. Cody.
Take it out and look at its pot.
I was mad at her. That ain't killer.
There you go.
What do you think the chances are of getting this case?
I'll let you know when we...
Yeah, you having a nice bath?
What is Perry doing here?
Harry makes it, it's really hard.
Oh, you having a nice bath?
Objection! As pure conjecture. I am only trying to get at the truth, Judah. You are outrageous.
He says, you're recording me. I can't make any noises. He's not very many.
It's like yoga for your taste buds.
Hi!
How you doing, Max?
New
Are you my good birdie?
yogurt. Slow speed.
Can you say no, bad dog?
Cody, get back. Leave him alone. Come on.